It's never too late to look after your heart. Okay, there is a cutoff point. Now, let me tell you, there's a lot of fascia around your heart. And not looking after your fascia means you lose function and flexibility. So I'm not saying there is an issue with laziness, but there seems to be correlation with activity and heart health. Now, here's the reason to celebrate. This sad state can be reversed. In a recent study with real people that had real heart problems, they found that long-term regular exercise could restore the heart to good health. What I do miss in that study though, however, is where the before and after shots. I mean, 2 years of regular training, those guys must look really good. Love your heart.